Guys, all we have to do today is gonna be me basically showing you what's in a Fabfitfun box for fall 2022. I got my box probably 2 weeks ago, but I was traveling a little bit, so I wasn't able to review it abroad. I didn't have my equipment with me, so I couldn't make the movie. But anyway, it's not gonna be a long video. And the reason for it is there's not that many items right now. So I used to get the Fabfitfun boxes filled with stuff, with coupons, with brand new product, but inflation did the Fabfitfun dirty, I think, at some point. So today I'm actually going to show you 6 items that came in, actually 7 items that came in with my fall box, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you the pricing. I'm going to kind of do a quick review just to what to expect from those products. So yeah, let's go. This is what the fall box looks like. And I think 2 boxes ago I noticed that the boxes are getting smaller, there's less items in it, and so I totally understand. But even though I'm not extremely in love with everything that I've gotten in this box, it's actually good value. Total of items, total for all the items inside of this box is $293. So it's a little bit more than $250, right? That's what they promise, that's what they claim they always give you. So yeah, so I think it's worth it, but you're gonna be the judge. You have to figure out on your own. And I did lousy job on customization, so I just got what I got, but it's okay. I actually am happy with the price that I got this time. So yep, let's review the box. Let's show you what's inside of that box. So the very first item, and I think one of my favorite items, is actually a Wonder Eye Cream. It's by Balance Me. It has hyaluronic acid and witch hazel in it, and it's supposed to calm and soothe around eye area. So if your skin is on the drier side and you have a hard time moisturizing this area, no matter how many great eye creams you have, this may be a solution. You just do a little drop here and there and just put it in the morning before you put your moisturizer. Actually, I do it before I even put my serums on. I actually put the eye cream first in the morning. So this Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, it's $30. So you get a life size of the cream, and it comes, let me just show you. It's this big. So I think it's a lot of product in there, and it has a pump to make your life easier. So I think you're gonna actually really be happy about this. I tried it on already. I haven't tried other items on, but I've tried this eye cream, and I have to tell you, it feels really good. It feels cooling and soothing and calming, and that's the purpose of this eye cream. And to obviously replenish the moisture with the hyaluronic acid in it. Okay, number 2. Not something that I'm probably going to use a lot just because those colors are crazy intense. It's a Glossier blush. They call it, what do they call it? Seamless Cheek Color. And so you get 2 of them in this box. And the one, I don't know if the video can show it, but this one is really orange, this one is really red. So you can use it as gloss. I think you can use it maybe even on your lips a little bit. So each one of those, if you had to go on Glossier website or Amazon, each one of those costs $26. So you have a $52, hold on, I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so you get 2 colors. One is called Spark, and that's the red one, and this is how intense it is. Okay, and the second one is called Dawn, and that's the orangey color. I think I can probably try to rock this a little bit, but there you go. Wow. So one is orange, one is red. You can use it on your face. It's safe. It's a $52 value. Next item, which I'm kind of curious about, and maybe I'll do the update on it once I use it. Block Pumpkin Fresh Peppers. Minimizes puffiness and dryness. So what it is, it's actually set of 5 eye masks, underneath eye masks. And these are the pumpkin ones. It's supposed to depuff and calm and soothe your around eye area. The price for it is $20. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs, so you can use it 5 times. You cannot reuse it, unfortunately, but you can use it 5 times, and it's supposed to calm and moisturize and deep half your eye, around eye area. And I'm really excited about trying it because I do anything and everything to calm this around eye area for myself as much as I can. So if I like it, I'm probably going to do like a quick video on it to kind of let you know how good this product is or how much this product sucks. So that's that. So that's number 3. This is the 3rd item that arrived on in there in my Fabfitfun box. Item number 4, set of brushes by Luxie, and this has short shader, concealer brush, blending brush, definer brush. When I opened it, I didn't think much of it, okay, but what I learned, sorry, I'm trying to open it so you can see the brushes a little bit better. Oh, okay. Ooh. Loser that I am. Okay. Oh, so it comes with like a little pouch that you can open, but I cannot open it. Yeah. No, my dentist would not be happy with me if I open up my teeth. So anyway, these are the brushes, Luxie brushes, and this costs $64. Honestly, I would not pay $64 for these 1, 2, 3, 4 brushes. I wouldn't. I just wouldn't, because I'm cheap like that and I can find better brushes for less. But because I got it in my Fabfitfun box, I'm gonna definitely use it. $64. If I don't open it, maybe I'll give it to someone because I have all these brushes and they're pretty. The ones that I have are pretty good as well. So maybe I'll do something with it. Maybe I'll give it to someone who actually will use brushes. If not, I'll keep it. I'm probably gonna use it. So, okay, next item on the list is cute. Cute as hell. Measuring cups. So you have the cup, the half, the third, and a quarter, right? In different colors with like greenish, whitish. Let me show you. That's actually really cute. And I am so excited about this measuring cup because mine are missing. When you have a child, he takes your stuff and he displaces your things, so you can actually keep looking for your measuring cups or any other kitchen devices, and you will never find it because maybe they're underneath your couch or somewhere, right? So it comes with the cup measuring and also tablespoon measuring. So yeah, I think it's cute. I don't know if I would pay $28 for it, but that's how much it cost. So I wouldn't spend this money on my own, but now that it's a part of my box, I'm gonna definitely use it. So it has the little teaspoon measuring, right? And they're kind of like separate too, so you can keep them on this little chain or you can put them in separately, doesn't matter, right? $28, right? $28, cute as hell. Definitely gonna use it if I cook anytime soon. And the last item costs $99, and I would never freaking spend $99 on a face brush, but I will enjoy it. I will definitely enjoy it. I would use it as much as I can. It comes with the battery, surprise, surprise, because it's a battery operated one. So it comes with one AA battery, okay, and a little cup that you put over to protect it from the dust. And let me show you the brush. This is what the brush looks like. It's made of silicone and the claims are pretty good. So it's waterproof, ergonomic design, easy AA battery. It's a soft silicone bristle and massage in serums. Oh, so you can actually wash your face with it, with this, whatever your face wash is, and you can massage it in and clean the dirt and clarify your pores and everything. But you can also use this to spread your serums around, not the creams, the serums, because it has to have a really good contact with your skin. I honestly cannot wait to use it. I'm gonna use it today after I try to wash my face after this video. So I think you may be expecting, yeah, you know, I think you're gonna expect follow-up on this one, because I don't think I would ever pay $99 for a face cleansing device. That's what they call it. So guys, PMD technology is a clean and smart facial cleansing device that uses sonic glow technology. It has four modes that you can customize and optimize the brushing. It's for all skin types. Sonic glow technology, the beauty of silicone, it's antibacterial, anti-aging facial massage that you can do with your serums, and it's cordless. So $99 for cordless face brush that you can also use as a massaging device when you apply your serums on. Cannot wait to try it. Absolutely will give you an update on it. And honestly, that's pretty much all I prepared for today, so I'm not gonna bother you to that. It was easy. I think it's gonna be probably like a 9-minute video. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe, click the like button. It helps me so much. Let me know if this was helpful to you. I just want to share this information with you because I actually really like the products in my fall Fabfitfun box. So I just want to kind of show you what I got and how I customize my box. So that's it. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.